Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra is not dead yet. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, over the past few days, multiple reports have surfaced claiming that Samsung has now killed off the Galaxy Note 22 series. This about its justification is that Samsung failing to renew the Galaxy Note trademark. As it turns out, those reports were baseless. Those reports are coming from a popular source, the Ice Universe, which indicates that Samsung has renewed their filing for trademark only for the Galaxy M series, A series, S series, and the Z series lineup, while the Galaxy Note series has been left out. But turns out that this is not going to be true because, according to the information coming from South Korea and the tipster Frontron, which indicated that the trademark for the Note series wasn't renewed. And what that means that Samsung trademark for the Galaxy Note was filed in 2011 and registered in 2013, which means that trademark are generally valid for 10 years and it is still not expires. So that is the main reason that Samsung has not included the Galaxy Note series device in the renewal of the trademark. So the information that has been arrived from Ice Universe is based on illogical assumption and misguided, and most of the YouTuber and tech community websites has hyped that up that we may not see the Galaxy Note 22 series or any Note devices from here on. Anyhow, this new report does not confirm that we may or may not see the Galaxy Note 22 series or not, but considering the fact that Samsung was thinking to replace the Note devices with the Z lineup is going to be pretty much accurate, because right now the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 pre-orders has been broken most of the records. The reports that are coming for both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 sales has been pretty much awesome for Samsung, because most of the markets has been dominated by Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 devices, and many people are liking that device just because the fact that its prices has been dropped. Particularly the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has been purchased by most of the people, so definitely this is going to be the device which is going to be the most successful in the foldable lineup right now. So what the success of the Galaxy Z4 lineup means that the Galaxy Note devices might not be coming in the future, and this is going to be disappointment for many of the Samsung Note fans. Anyhow, moving forward, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 information has been arrived, and it is going to be pretty much awesome information we have got. Basically, according to Sam Mobiles and some South Korean media, that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be even cheaper. The reports also mentioned that Samsung will improve certain aspects of the Z Fold 4, and one of them is the under-display camera tech. We already have the under-display camera in the Z Fold 3, which is not an awesome camera we have seen up till now, but in the future the under-display camera technology will provide improved visibility and even less noticeable on the front, so definitely this tech is going to be improving. Anyhow guys, the Note series is not dead. We are still in a hope for the Note devices. I will keep you updated about that device, so do consider subscribing my channel. Give a comment, what do you think about this new development? Thanks for watching. Peace.